speaking to?
It's the title role.
Tina.
It's the best part in the show.
Sweetheart.
I don't understand. That Lerman girl's too Jewish looking to play Pippi.
Tina.
She has no fire, no music.
Darling, these things happen.
Not to me, they don't.
Atta girl.
Please, Sylvia, I'll handle this. Besides, so what if Louise Lerman is playing Pippi? You get to play Puddles.
Don't want to play a dog.
Puddles doesn't sing. Puddles doesn't even talk. Puddles is a stupid mime part.
Hate mine.
Everyone does, dear.
I mean, would you look at me? I was born to play Pippi Longstocking. I am Pippi Longstocking!
That's enough, Tina.
I hate Louise Lerman.
Now, you listen to me, young lady. Do you want to stay in show business?
You're right, Mother. I only wanted that silly old part so you and Daddy would be proud of me.
Oh, but we are proud of you, sweetheart. Of course, if you'd gotten the part, then we would have been real proud. But nevertheless...
Oh, Mother, what would you give me for a bucket of kisses?
Why, I'd give you a tub of hugs.
I'll get it. Why, good afternoon, Miss Thorne.
Good afternoon, Tina. You're looking very pretty today.
Why, thank you, Miss Thorne.
That was an excellent curtsy.
Why, thank you, Miss Thorne.
Oh, she's so polite.
Why, thank you, Miss Thorne.
Now I see where she gets it from.
Why, thank you, Miss Thorne. Run along, sweetheart. Mommy wants to talk with Miss Thorne.
Haven't changed your mind, have you?
I'm afraid not.
Come on, Sylvia.
Please, won't you sit down?
Excuse me, who do I speak to about comps?
I beg your pardon.
Free tickets.
The Turner School never gives away free tickets. The money, of course, goes to the school fund.
I see. I'll bet the Lerman kid gets comps.
Thank you so much for coming, Miss
Oh,
Thorne.
please call me Myrna.
You were an actress once.
Why, yes, I was.
Was there ever a part that you wanted that you didn't get?
One or two. What's your point?
Well, I was hoping that you could speak to Tina. As someone who has lived through similar disappointments, I was hoping it might help her, know what to expect.
I must admit, Mrs. Denmark, in all my years as a professional actress, and I've lived on both coasts, I've never known anyone to want a part so desperately. It's as if starring in the school show means too much to Tina.
That's what worries me.
There's no need to worry. Unknit your brow. For though Tina's taking this heart right now, experience tells me, I'm happy to say, she'll get over her disappointment someday. She'll learn that being a star isn't everything, when there are many wonderful careers one can choose that are equally rewarding and at least as exciting. Why, look at me. Teaching third grade, shaping the minds of a new generation, no longer afraid to get on with my life and off the medication. Sure, I went to New York to an overnight sensation, more than a face, I was a winning combination of talent and grace. I should have packed a mace, 'cause I was mugged, raped, and robbed before I left Penn Station. Now I'm back, Lord, at the blackboard teaching third grade.
Miss Thorne. Myrna. I was wondering, don't you think it's important for someone in show business to have something to fall back on?
Something to fall back on. Sure, it works for some, but I fell back and look what life's become. Tonight, I'll get cozy, pour wine, light the tapers, then sit there, alone there, all night, grading papers. The pay may be steady, my summers are free, but do you want your daughter to turn out like me? Yeah, something to fall back on, safe and so secure, with very few surprises in store. This cheer runt so bloody needy.
Coke, Triscuit,
Joan hits Janice with a slinky. Bart makes Terry touch his winky. This one cries and that one pees. I can't take it, God, I need something to fall back on.
please help yourself.
What I've fallen back on.
About Tina.
As far as the lead in the show, my dear, she'll have to get over not winning this year. Into each life rain falls, I'm afraid. Life is a bitch, and it starts in